Something wrong here. That one's ported. New ported pistons. Extra horsepower. Holy, that magnet's crazy on that flashlight. So we got everything loaded, everything packed, and we're just about to hit the road.
What about
There's like no snow
What
here.
about the miles per gallon right now?
No, that's horrific. I think we're pushing a headwind. Fuel prices are ridiculous, but we're not going to concern ourselves with that.
Okay.
We're just having a good trip. Let's head west.
All right.
But you'll see here, give her a little gas. She's she's in trouble. Okay, shut it off. All right, so we got her all loaded up, strapped down. Hopefully she's sitting good. We might have to come another foot forward, but that's not the biggest of deals if we have to. All right, let's get on the freaking road.
I was just gonna say that.
Were you gonna say that?
Yeah.
As Clayton's choking to death. All right, boys. So we're at Superior Diesel NPA. We dropped off the dually, so they're gonna yank the head off, and we're gonna see the carnage. So that'll be very interesting. So in the next couple days, we'll have a good update for you guys. We'll see what it looks like once the head comes off, and then we'll make a plan on how we can build back better. Hey, build back better, stronger, more power.
As long as it runs.
Yeah, exactly.
We were sending under the hood.
Yes. We need diagnosis, yeah. All right. So until next time when we have an update, we'll keep you guys informed.
Guys and girls.
Guys and girls, everyone, peoples.
Yeah, see, it's recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah, it's just signed up and start going. What are you not supposed to do, Kyle?
Build that much boost.
No. Not toe on number 5.
That also.
Well, guess the motor's coming out. Mr. I toe in number 5.
Holy crap, guys. Look at the poor dually. Okay, you guys ready? Do. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Not looking so good. Look at that perfect little hole in there.
And it's cracked.
Wow. Lot of pressure in that piston there. So we're just hoping to I don't know what we're hoping to do. Pull this thing out, make sure, check it over good, make sure it's all good.
I think if we just plug weld it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, quick little.
Yeah.
They got high temp JB weld now.
I think
So-
that'll be fine.
But that's our problem, that's our issue, guys. Don't tow on setting 5, even though you think it's a really cool idea and you think you're a cool boss for doing it. Caused you lots of trouble. So we'll get her yanked out and we'll go over what our options are. But we do have a brand new fuel filter in there, so just so you know.
Probably.
Okay, so we're just going over some build plans, maybe, possibly. These things are so restrictive. So maybe replace that with a better aftermarket thing. These are our ARP studs. I think we can reuse those. Hey, those are good.
Absolutely.
Those are the 625s?
625.
Yeah, those are the good ones. So we'll be able to reuse those, and get the injectors tested, make sure those are all good, and yeah, let's go for there. We're gonna do, it's a fleece performance, the coolant bypass. Yeah, so this coolant bypass, keep number 6 cylinder much cooler, so we're gonna definitely do that too, help us. They were saying they almost shit a brick taking our trail ready bumper off, but it's got the winch in it, and it's a really heavy winch too, so all right, doesn't it look crazy, you guys? Holy cow, destruction, but she'll come back better than ever, so we got the right team on it, so.
Don't forget your filter.
Yeah, he's laughing that our filter's so dirty, but I said it's the inside that counts. The inside's nice and clean, so all good, all good. Hey, you guys recognize that? That's our old S185. Okay, so we're doing a little update today, so I don't know, it depends how you look at this. Either good news or bad news that we had to get another motor, but we'll show you why. Another engine, another 6.7, we'll show you why. Okay, so here's our block here. There's our number 6 piston with the hole in it, and the wall's got quite a bit of scoring, so it'd be a lot of work to get that all fixed up. So we're gonna just try to swap in a new engine. So they'll check the heads. So the great thing about that is they can use whatever's best out of either. So if something's better on this versus that, they can swap it over. So crazy.
Transformers and they're like, can we do like
Yeah. Just snap your fingers, just boom, new engine in there. Crazy. Hey guys, let me know, is there an easier way to get at this front, to grease this front U-joint on this front drive shaft? Is there an easier way than just pulling the whole motor? If there is, let me know. No starter. They're like, no. Yeah, you don't need a starter. Hey, good afternoon, guys. So we are making I shouldn't say we, these guys are making awesome freaking progress here. They got the new motor sitting in. So we ordered a couple things. So we ordered this coolant bypass here. So this is our old motor. He's just showing me how this sits here. It just stacks on top of your thermostat housing. So coolant go back there through this braided line, and it takes it to the back of the motor there, so you can keep that number 6 cylinder a lot cooler. So we tow a lot with our dually. Like if you look at our miles towing, it's like 70% of our miles we put on the dually are towing. So it's good. Anything we can do to help us out in the years coming up while we got the motor out is a definite bonus. So the only snag they run into is, and I totally forgot too, so this is out of a 3/4 ton. So 3/4 tons never came with the ace and tranny, so of course the flex plates were different. So he had it mostly in position. Had to bring it out and take the flex plate off ours to mate up with the ace and transmission. So other than that, everything's been pretty smooth. So now we're just waiting. Hey?
You're not supposed to tell on us.
Quick. It was quick, man. If that's the only snags we hit, man, that's where we're gold. So they just got the head sent out. We're getting them fire ringed, and then just checked.
We're gonna get it rebuilt and fire ring.
Nice. So we won't have any problems, issues with heads lifting or anything like that. So, but yeah, the motor looks awesome. So hopefully once parts gets here, we'll get her buttoned up and we'll have a truck back. So awesome work. We got a lot of cool stuff on here. So you guys will be seeing some 100 times action there. So I'm getting pretty excited, man. You never know how much you miss a truck when you don't have your truck. It's like, oh, we don't have our truck. Oh, well. All right.
You're probably a nice half ton now.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, half ton. Yeah, when I just put the motor in the back, it squatted down to the axle. Oh, half tons. They're more like cars today than cars, for crying out loud. But all right. So here's our head at Superior Diesel in Saskatoon. This is some of the work they did on our head. Here they are cutting the groove to install the fire ring, the metal O-ring, just to help clamp down better so you never have any coolant leak issues with your head if you're running a bit more boost. So pretty cool to see. Here you see where they're tapping in the metal O-ring into the groove. So they cut the groove, install the groove, or install the O-ring, and then they machine the surface as well of the head. So got our head all fixed up to get back up to Clayton at Superior Diesel in Prince Albert to install. All right, guys, quick update. We came down to Superior Diesel Service in Prince Albert here, who's doing all our work on the dually. Kyle's got it all back in. He's got the head on. Oh, we're making progress. Basically, he's just got to put all the rad, intercooler, all the front stuff on, then that bumper, winch, all that back on, and we might have a truck back tomorrow. So that is good frickin' news. Ooh, she looks good. So the pile of parts that's on the back deck waiting to go on is shrinking, and the pile of parts that's up in the engine compartment is growing. So that's good frickin' news. All right, we'll update you again tomorrow.
Yee! What day is it today?
Guys, the day is finally here. We got the call. The dually is freaking done, and I am pumped. So what better way when you just get a brand new motor, not brand new, but a different motor installed in your truck? You might as well do a 20-hour road trip. So that's what we're planning on today. We're going to take off. We're going to get maybe 6 or 7 hours in today, just take some time off for the long drive tomorrow. But we're headed there right now, so hang on one sec. All right, it's kind of a cruddy day. First start. Oh, just mint. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we got locked this all loaded up, and we are on our way to the mod shop in Grand Prairie, Alberta. Woohoo! We're getting a stage 3 1085 motor kit put in. She is gonna frickin' rip. So, like I said, we just got our truck back. Why not break her in with a good 20-some hour road trip? Let's get on the frickin' road. It's insane the amount of snow that's still out here. Look at these effing snowdrifts out here. Crazy. Get the sleds out, boys. It's wrapping time. Hey guys, guess what? The freaking dually is back. Check this out. Like, what? There is so much freaking snow here. It's crazy. We just did a 22-hour road trip. The dually is running freaking sweet. Huge thanks to Superior Diesel in Prince Albert. They got her running like a freaking top.